Hey everybody, welcome to Blue Collection. Today I'm going to show you Lion King 1.5 and Lion King 2 Simba's Pride. Both titles has just been released in Blu-ray. They are 2-disc, Blu-ray and DVD, and also Blu-ray and DVD. The Blu-ray is region free and the DVD is region 1. And also comes with the sticker right here. It's $8 when you buy both titles. Obviously you cannot use two coupons, $16. You can only use one coupon of $8 when you buy both titles. Let me show you here the slipcover. It's really fantastic, colorful, glossy, all embossed, all the letters, really nice. So here has the exact same artwork. Same thing here. Very glossy. It's like high glossy. And everything is embossed. So let's take a look at the artwork here. Here's the code for your Disney movie rewards. Another code for your movie rewards. So let's start with 1.5. 2-disc, of course, I mentioned before. The Blu-ray has a really nice design, and the DVD is just plain silver. Region 1, Blu-ray region free, and Simba's Pride, pretty much exactly the same thing, silver on the DVD, and fantastic artwork on the Blu-ray. So that's right there, region 1 and region free. Now let me show you the special features here for both titles.